Drinks that protect eyes and repair vision. Do you ever feel like your eyes are strained from too much screen time? Or maybe you're worried about your vision getting worse as you age? Well, you're not alone. Our eyes are one of the most important parts of our body, but they often get neglected. Did you know that what you drink can have a huge impact on your eye health? That's right. Today, I'm going to reveal 12 powerful drinks that can protect your eyes and even help repair your vision. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Alright, let's get started and give your eyes the boost they deserve with these 12 amazing drinks. Drink number 1, carrot juice. Carrot juice is a vibrant, nutrient-packed drink renowned for its high levels of beta-carotene, a type of vitamin A essential for eye health. This powerful antioxidant helps your retina function properly and is crucial for preventing night blindness, ensuring you can see well in low-light conditions. Regular consumption of carrot juice can also slow the progression of age-related macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision loss in older adults. Additionally, the vitamin A in carrots helps protect the eye's surface and can contribute to stronger vision overall. Besides its eye benefits, carrot juice also boosts your immune system and improves skin health. So, adding a glass of carrot juice to your daily routine is a delicious and effective way to support your vision and overall health. Drink number 2, berry smoothies. Berry smoothies, made from blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, are not only delicious but also incredibly beneficial for your eyes. These berries are rich in antioxidants, particularly vitamin C, which plays a key role in reducing the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration. The vibrant colors of these fruits indicate their high levels of anthocyanins, which have anti-inflammatory properties that protect your eyes from oxidative stress. Incorporating a berry smoothie into your diet can help maintain the health of your blood vessels, including the tiny capillaries in your eyes. Furthermore, the natural sugars in berries provide a healthy energy boost without spiking blood sugar levels. Enjoying a berry smoothie is a refreshing way to protect your vision and keep your taste buds happy. Drink number 3, green tea. Green tea is a soothing beverage that offers many health benefits, including significant protection for your eyes. It's packed with catechins, powerful antioxidants that protect the delicate tissues of your eyes from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. Regular consumption of green tea has been linked to a reduced risk of developing glaucoma and other eye conditions that can impair vision. The anti-inflammatory properties of green tea also help reduce puffiness and irritation around the eyes, making it an excellent choice for those who spend long hours in front of screens. Moreover, green tea is known to improve overall circulation, which ensures that your eyes receive ample oxygen and nutrients. Incorporating a cup or two of green tea into your daily routine can be a simple yet effective way to support your eye health. Drink number 4, orange juice. Orange juice is a refreshing and tangy drink that does wonders for your vision due to its high vitamin C content. This vital nutrient is essential for maintaining the health of blood vessels in your eyes and can help prevent cataracts. Additionally, the antioxidants found in orange juice combat oxidative stress, protecting your eyes from damage caused by free radicals. Regular consumption of orange juice can also support your immune system, keeping infections at bay that could potentially harm your vision. Furthermore, oranges contain other beneficial compounds like flavonoids, which have anti-inflammatory properties that benefit your eyes. A daily glass of fresh orange juice is not only delicious but also a proactive step towards maintaining healthy vision and overall wellness. Drink number 5, almond milk. Almond milk is an excellent plant-based alternative to dairy that is rich in vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant vital for eye health. This vitamin protects your eyes from harmful free radicals, which can cause oxidative stress and lead to various eye conditions, including age-related macular degeneration. The anti-inflammatory properties of vitamin E in almond milk help reduce the risk of cataracts and maintain the overall health of your eyes. Additionally, almond milk is often fortified with vitamin D and calcium, which support the overall structure and function of your eyes. It's also low in calories and lactose-free, making it a great choice for those with dietary restrictions. Incorporating almond milk into your diet, whether in smoothies, cereals, or just on its own, can provide a delicious way to boost your eye health. Drink number 6, beet juice. Beet juice is a vibrant and nutrient-dense drink known for its high levels of nitrates, which improve blood flow throughout the body, including the eyes. This enhanced circulation ensures that your eyes receive the necessary oxygen and nutrients to function optimally. Beet juice also contains lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that protect your eyes from light-induced damage and reduce the risk of macular degeneration and cataracts. Additionally, the betalains in beets have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce eye strain and fatigue. Drinking beet juice regularly can also support overall cardiovascular health, which is closely linked to eye health. Its natural sweetness and earthy flavor make beet juice a tasty and healthful addition to your daily routine. Drink number 7, tomato juice. Tomato juice is a tangy and nutritious beverage packed with lycopene, an antioxidant that protects your eyes from damage caused by light exposure and oxidative stress. Lycopene helps maintain the health of your retina and reduces the risk of developing cataracts and macular degeneration. Additionally, tomato juice is rich in vitamin C and beta-carotene, which further support eye health by strengthening the blood vessels and tissues in your eyes. Regular consumption of tomato juice can also help reduce inflammation and improve overall eye function. Besides its benefits for your vision, tomato juice supports heart health and boosts your immune system. A glass of fresh tomato juice is not only a tasty way to quench your thirst but also a powerful ally for your eyes. Drink number 8, spinach and kale smoothies. Spinach and kale smoothies are green, nutrient-packed drinks that provide a significant boost to your eye health. These leafy greens are rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that filter harmful blue light and protect the cells in your eyes from damage. Regular consumption of these smoothies can help reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Spinach and kale are also excellent sources of vitamin C and E, which support the overall health of your eyes and strengthen your immune system. The high levels of beta-carotene in these greens are converted into vitamin A in the body, essential for maintaining good vision, especially in low-light conditions. Adding a spinach and kale smoothie to your daily diet is a delicious and nutritious way to support your vision and overall health. Drink number 9, chamomile tea. Chamomile tea is a soothing herbal beverage that offers numerous benefits for your eyes. Known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, chamomile tea can help reduce eye strain, redness, and puffiness, particularly for those who spend long hours in front of screens. The antioxidants in chamomile, such as apigenin, help protect your eyes from oxidative stress and damage. Drinking chamomile tea regularly can also improve sleep quality, which is crucial for maintaining overall eye health and reducing dark circles. Additionally, the calming effects of chamomile tea can alleviate stress, which indirectly benefits your vision by reducing eye fatigue. Enjoying a warm cup of chamomile tea in the evening is a relaxing way to support your eye health and overall well-being. Drink number 10, pomegranate juice. Pomegranate juice is a rich and flavorful drink that is packed with antioxidants, making it highly beneficial for your eyes. The high levels of polyphenol and anthocyanins in pomegranates help protect the delicate tissues of your eyes from oxidative damage and inflammation. These antioxidants also support the repair of damaged eye cells, reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Pomegranate juice is also known to improve blood circulation, ensuring that your eyes receive adequate oxygen and nutrients for optimal function. Additionally, it boosts your immune system, which helps prevent infections that could affect your vision. Incorporating a glass of pomegranate juice into your daily diet can be a delicious and effective way to enhance your eye health. Drink number 11, avocado smoothies. Avocado smoothies are creamy and nutrient-dense beverages that offer significant benefits for your eyes. Avocados are rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that filter harmful blue light and protect your eyes from oxidative stress. These nutrients are essential for maintaining healthy vision and reducing the risk of macular degeneration and cataracts. Avocados also provide a good amount of vitamin E, which helps protect your eyes from free radical damage. The healthy fats in avocados improve the absorption of these important nutrients, making avocado smoothies an excellent choice for eye health. Additionally, avocados are packed with other vitamins and minerals that support overall wellness. Enjoying an avocado smoothie regularly can be a delicious way to nourish your eyes and boost your overall health. Drink number 12, coconut water. Coconut water is a hydrating and refreshing drink that supports overall eye health. It is rich in essential electrolytes like potassium and magnesium, which help maintain proper fluid balance in the eyes and reduce the risk of dehydration-related eye issues. Coconut water also contains cytokinins, plant hormones with antioxidant properties that protect your eyes from oxidative stress and damage. Regular consumption of coconut water can help reduce inflammation and improve blood circulation, ensuring that your eyes receive the nutrients they need to function effectively. Additionally, its natural hydrating properties help keep your eyes lubricated, reducing dryness and irritation. Incorporating coconut water into your daily routine is a simple and delicious way to support your vision and stay hydrated. Dear viewers, that's it for today's video. Incorporating these drinks into your regular diet is a simple yet effective way to support your eye health and keep your vision in top shape. Remember, your eyes are precious, and giving them the right nutrients can make a huge difference in maintaining and even improving your vision over time. I encourage all of you to try these drinks and share your experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear how these drinks are helping you and any other tips you might have for eye health. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe to my channel for more health tips and delicious recipes, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate your support. Take care of your eyes, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.